today's video, we're going to be talking about making a TPT bundle. Super easy, and also within that, how to make a growing bundle. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, if you are new or returning, welcome here to SL Primary. We talk teacher side hustles, and I've had a request for how to create not only a bundle, but a TPT growing bundle. One nice thing about TPT is they actually have an option. I'll show it to you in just a minute. I'll turn the camera around on how to create a regular bundle. What a regular bundle is a bundle where you take 2 or more products, and you can take up to 100 products? I'll double check that and I'll write it down here, okay? But you can take a lot of products and put them all into one resource. This is a great way to get some higher priced products into your store. In fact, that is how I went from making $11 to be making $50 and $100. And so if you do not have any bundles, I highly recommend it. You can bundle products in different ways. You can bundle them according to subject, grade, season, the same concepts, right? You don't even have to do the same. You could just say my whole store. Go to the house and go add a new product, and you will get this screen that I have right here. And you're going to go to the last one where it says bundles. Now this particular screen is for a brand new bundle. If you have an existing bundle, you're going to actually use the bundle, and I'm going to show you one in a moment. But this one is for brand new bundles. You click and it's just saying, reminding you, brand new only. You will still need to make a product description, a title. You're going to need thumbnails and everything. And you can actually add a bonus file, which is a good selling feature if you want to add another, small set of worksheets or something like that. But what you're going to do is you're going to select resources, and then you're going to go through all your products and figure out which ones would you like to put into a bundle. So for example, if I just do all about me sort of thing. This is an existing bundle. You can actually put a bundle within a bundle, but I think they just want you to do the separate ones. And then you would go done. And so there they are right there. And then they're telling you how much it is for them existing. And then down here, you can decide how to discount it. So you leave the list price. This right now, they're saying at this price, 65 cents off. You can select, and now you can do any amount you want. You could do this for $1. A lot of people do 20%, but this is your store. You can do whatever you want. Some people do 50%, or they might even do 50% for the first 48 hours and then set it back to either 10 or 20%. But 20 to 25% seems to be a common discount. And then you're going to just have to fill in everything else just like you would a regular product. It's that easy. Now, one of the questions was, how do you make a growing bundle? So a growing bundle is a little bit tricky because it's going to put some pressure upon you. Because what you're doing is you are telling everybody, hey, buy this bundle while it's small, because during this month, and this month, I'm going to be adding this product, and this product. And once it gets to that product, it's going to be full price or a slightly discounted price. Okay, I'm doing a growing bundle right now, but I'm not telling people it's a growing bundle, because here is why I'm not calling it a growing bundle. By the way, buyers love growing bundles. So you can put the word growing bundle right into your title. But again, the downside to me is if I tell people I'm going to add this product in this month, this product in this month, and this product, I have to do it. Because you will get buyers really annoyed, and they'll give you bad reviews if you do not have those products there like you promised, okay, or there like you said. For example, I'm doing some monthly bingo sheets. So right now in the bundle, I have September, October, November, December. If I said by November 15th, January will be there. By January, December, November 30th, February will be there. By putting dates, I've just put some pressure on myself to make sure that they're there. You can't just go, oh well, didn't happen. You can't do that, right? There are people who are buying your products with the expectation that they will be there when you say they're going to be there. Okay, so right now my bundle, which only has 4 products in it, is a certain price. As I add another month, so I'm going to add the month separately, so I can sell it separately. And then I'm going to add it into the bundle, because you at any time could edit bundles, and I'll show you that. You can edit the bundle, and then you can up the price. One of the things I'm doing, as I mentioned, I'm adding monthly things to this bundle. So I'm going to go to edit listing. And if I want to add, there it is. So I can choose ones to add, include, right? So I've already got an existing cover, which I might change. I can, again, add a bonus, as I've mentioned before. And here's my pricing. So when I add another product, it will tell me how much, again, the regular price is, just like I showed you on the other one. And I can change these, and then everything else will stay the same. And as you can see here, I've got a little coming soon. No date, but that's one way you can do it without putting dates. No pressure on me in case something happens in my life and I just don't have time. But let me just get out of here. And let me go to, I'm going to go to EduClips, because EduClips, actually many clip art artists often have growing bundles. So here's a growing bundle right here. So what they've done is they've listed what the price will probably be when everything is added, but what you are having to pay right now. So if you get in on this bundle right now, you're only having to pay $13. But by the time they add the rest of them, and she's got all the list of the clip art, and if you go down a little farther, she's talking about what's a growing bundle. This is a great one to look at. She's got message Q&A for this. Other ones that she's done. So you see on her preview, Pirates, October 27th, Space, November 3rd. It's not these dates yet. She's put some pressure on herself to make sure that these are intact. That's why the growing bundle is an attractive feature. And like I said, this is not etched in stone at any time. The prices can change. Growing is an attractive word for many buyers. Like I said, TPT has made making bundles very easy, and I highly recommend it. Again, if you are currently making a lot of products that are $2, $3, $4, bundle them. And the crazy thing is, you might think these might even just be 2 random products. People will buy them. I have a bundle of about 10 products. I have a bundle of 20 products over on Boom. I'm right now considering putting all my math into one big bundle. It actually makes me nervous making a bundle of that big, but people do it all the time. And people buy them as well, which is really crazy. So if you have a store that's sitting at about $10, $20 and you want to try and get to the $50, $100 thing, bundles. Super easy. You just have to make a cover and some thumbnails. Video coming about Canva. Maybe it's already on, I can't remember. Go into Canva, make a cover, make thumbnails, talk about why this bundle is worth buying, okay? And if you want a tutorial, please feel free to give me a request down below and I'll see what I can do. Even if it's an older video that you've seen and you just want to know if there's can I do an updated version? Ask me that too. You never know. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe and being healthy. And we'll catch you in that video or that playlist. See ya.